1. The Bridge of Action. In our previous transmissions, we laid down the challenge. We called you out of autopilot and demanded a call to action. But a call to action is only a spark. To build a fire, you need the bridge between a simple decision and a real destiny. You need progression. Every monumental shift in your life, every skill you master, every habit you break, every boundary you conquer, demands a starting point. Think back to your first steps as a child. Clumsy, unstable, and terrifying. Think of learning to ride a bike or grasping a new skill set. It is never smooth at the start. The ancient Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu famously wrote, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." We hear this quote so often that we forget its weight. It means that the grandest, most intimidating goals in your life have the exact same starting line as the smallest ones. Right here, right now, with one single movement. 2. The friction and the foundation. When you take that first step, it is going to feel uncomfortable. It might even feel forced. But this discomfort is not a sign of failure. It is the price of entry. Your tolerance to push through that initial friction is where your true value is forged. Progress is a compounding law. One small disciplined step leads to another small step. Slowly, surely, those small steps build the strength for bigger steps. Before you know it, you have built a solid foundation beneath your feet. This is how you reach those critical checkpoints and milestones in your life. Once you hit those milestones, the momentum shifts. You are no longer dragging yourself forward. You are locked and loaded. You are fully locked into the present moment. And the present moment is the only place where your future is actively being written. 3. Water under the bridge. What you do today determines what happens tomorrow. To step into this power, you must make a choice to leave the baggage behind. The past is water under the bridge. It is already flown past. It cannot be gathered back. To dwell on your past mistakes, your old habits, or who you used to be is not just useless, it is sacrificial. You are sacrificing your only real asset, the present, to feed a ghost. Forget what lies behind you. It does not exist anymore. It does not matter what has happened to me or what has happened to you. We are who we are in this exact second. We have nothing to prove to anyone. We have nothing to back up and no one to appeal to. Sometimes the most sovereign thing you can do is simply shut the doubts up, quiet the mind, and move forward. You may not know exactly where the path leads yet, but at least you are no longer standing still. You are going somewhere. Take the step. Trust the progression. If this transmission resonated with your journey, consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. As always, this is Sovereign Swan, signing out.